Hello, how to solve square root of x plus x equals 2. Solving for all values of x that satisfy this equation. So I start by moving this x over here. That is, we have square root of x equals, this will be 2 minus x. In order to eliminate this square root, I take the squares of both of this equation. This cancel this, I have x equals, for this, I have 2 minus x times 2 minus x. So I have x equals, let's expand this, 2 times 2, that is 4, 2 times minus x, minus 2x minus x times 2, minus 2x minus x times minus x, plus x squared. So from here, I have x equals 4 minus 4x plus x squared. I move x over here, I have 0 equals 4 minus 4x plus x squared minus x. So from here, I have 0 equals 4 minus 4x minus x, this is minus 5x plus x squared. So let's rearrange this equation to form a perfect quadratic equation. I have x squared minus 5x plus 4 equals 0. So we need to solve this quadratic equation to find the other values of x. Now let's solve this using the formula method. I have x equals negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4 times ac divided by 2a. So right now I have 1 here, which is the coefficient of a squared, x squared, and that is our a. And I have negative 5 here, which is the coefficient of x, that is our b. And I have c here, that is 4. So from here, I will simply have x equals negative b, that's negative times negative 5, plus or minus square root of b squared. I have negative 5 to the power of 2, minus 4 times a raised 4 times 1 times 4, divided by 2 times a raised 2 times 1. So from here, I have x equals, this is 5, plus or minus square root of, this is 25, minus 4 times 1, 4, this is 16, 4 times 1 times 4, that is 16 divided by 2. So from here, I have x equals, this is 5, plus or minus 25 minus 16 will give you, that will be 9. So we have square root of 9, and this is divided by 2. So from here, you have x equals 5 plus square root of 9, that is 3, divided by 2, that is minus here. So you have two values for x. You have x1 will be 5 plus 3 divided by 2, or you have 5 minus 3 divided by 2. So from here we have x1 equals 5 plus 3, that is 8 divided by 2, or 5 minus 3, that is 2 divided by 2. So from here, you have x1 equals 8 divided by 2, 4, or 2 divided by 2, you have 1. So this is our x1, while this is our x2. So we have two values for x. x1 equals 4, x2 equals 1. So these are the two values for x, and let's check if they are going to satisfy the equation. So we have check. x1 equals 4, x2 equals 1. Square root of x plus x equals 2. Let's start with when x equals 4. Square root of 4 plus 4 is this 2, obviously. Square root of 4 is 2 plus 4. This is not 2. 2 plus 4 is 6, and this is not 2. So this is not a valid solution. How about when x equals 1? So we have square root of x plus x equals 2. Our x is 1. Square root of 1 plus 1 equals 2. Square root of 1 is 1 plus 1. equals 2. And 1 plus 1, this is 2, which equals 2. Have you seen that? This has satisfied the equation, guys. So this is it. The only solution is x equals 1. The only valid solution. Because even when you consider 0, 0 will not satisfy the equation. So this is the only solution for now. Thank you and goodbye.